This is a Chausson, forged Chausson Dometic fridge freezer with the gas setting, and the gas is on. This is obviously the first thing to check. When it's flashing, it means it's not working. So the best way to try and rectify this is, usually it can be because of a gas lock. So you have to turn it off. And then leave it for a bit and turn it back on. I hope it fires up. If it doesn't, you can try and turn the gas down a bit to the min setting and then turn it off again. Leave it for a little bit and then try and fire it up again. Give it a little bit of time. You might have to do this 4, 5 or more times. Eventually it will fire up. Try it again. Leave it for a bit. Hopefully this time it'll be the one.